Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a must-have for anyone planning a move or needing storage solutions: the Amazon Basics Cardboard Moving Boxes. These boxes are renowned for their versatility and durability, making them a top choice in the market. Let's start by unpacking what makes these moving boxes stand out. Available in a pack of 30, they come in assorted sizes including small, medium, and large, catering to a variety of packing needs. Whether you're packing up your office files, clothing, or electronics, these boxes are designed to handle it all. Made from professional-grade, single-wall corrugated cardboard, these boxes are not only sturdy but also easy to assemble. The pre-creased flaps fold in effortlessly, ensuring a secure closure when taped. You can also label them easily for quick identification of contents, which is a huge time saver during unpacking. Let's break down the sizes. The small boxes measure 16 by 10 by 10 inches. Medium boxes are 18 by 14 by 12 inches. And the large boxes come in at 20 by 20 by 15 inches. This variety ensures you have the right size for different items, from books to kitchen appliances. To wrap it up, the Amazon Basics Cardboard Moving Boxes are a fantastic choice for anyone looking for reliable, affordable packing solutions. Whether you're moving across town or storing seasonal items, these boxes provide the durability and functionality you need. They're easy to assemble, label, and stack, making them a standout product in the market. If you're interested in picking up these boxes for your next move or storage project, I've left a link in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product reviews and tips on making informed purchasing decisions. Thank you for watching today's review. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and comment below with any questions or experiences you've had with these moving boxes. Until next time, this is Product Critique, signing off.